What if you could replace your paycheck with dividends that never stop paying? What if financial freedom wasn't just a dream for the wealthy, but a step-by-step strategy anyone could follow? Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." That timeless wisdom is the foundation of dividend investing, where patience, consistency, and time transform ordinary investments into extraordinary wealth. Whether you're new to investing or an experienced investor seeking the best dividend stocks for retirement, SCHD stands out as one of the most powerful exchange-traded funds for achieving financial independence. With disciplined portfolio management and the right financial education, you can turn small, consistent investments into a lifetime of passive income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to invest in SCHD, how to maximize dividend income, and how to position yourself for financial freedom through the stock market. Before we continue, please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. In addition, all projections in our content are based on historical returns, growth rates, and performance. But also remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. The SCHD isn't just another boring investment fund. This ETF tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index and has built an incredible track record of transforming patient investors into wealthy individuals through the magic of compound dividend growth. Let me blow your mind with what makes SCHD absolutely extraordinary. As of February 2025, this ETF manages over $69 billion in assets, with an incredibly low expense ratio of just 0.06%, which means you keep almost every penny of your return. SCHD currently yields 3.5%, but here's the kicker that separates it from every other dividend investment. Over the past year alone, SCHD increased its dividend payments by 12.2%, and historically, this ETF has grown its dividends by an average of 11 to 12% every single year. Think about what this means for your financial future. You're not just buying today's 3.5% yield when you invest in SCHD. You're investing in a growing income stream that compounds and accelerates year after year, creating wealth that most people can only dream about. The secret sauce behind SCHD's incredible performance lies in its obsessive focus on quality over everything else. While other dividend funds chase the highest yields and trap investors in declining companies, SCHD selects only the cream of the crop. The top holdings include financial powerhouses like AbbVie, Coca-Cola, Amgen, Cisco Systems, Pfizer, Texas Instruments, Verizon, Chevron, Bristol-Myers Squibb, and PepsiCo. These aren't speculative investments. These are cash-generating machines that have weathered every economic storm and consistently rewarded their shareholders with growing dividend payments. The diversification strategy is equally brilliant. SCHD spreads your investment across financials at 17.7%, healthcare at 17.6%, consumer staples at 14.8%, industrials at 12.5%, energy at 11.8%, consumer discretionary at 9.1%, information technology at 8.9%, communication services at 4.7%, and materials at 2.7%. This means your retirement income isn't dependent on any single industry or economic sector performing well. Now, let me share SCHD's performance history that will absolutely astound you. Over the past year, SCHD delivered a total return of 13.3%, combining both capital appreciation and dividend income. The 3-year annualized return stands at approximately 6.7%, while the 5-year annualized return reaches an impressive 12.5%. The 10-year annualized return of 11.6% demonstrates rock-solid long-term performance, and since its inception in October 2011, SCHD has delivered an annualized return of 12.9%. Now let me show you the power of consistent monthly investing that makes wealth building accessible to every working person in America. We will be using the future value of monthly contributions, annuity formula, where PMT equals monthly payment, R equals monthly return rate, which is the annual rate divided by 12, and N equals total number of monthly payments. Now let's dive into our $1,000 investment strategy. If you invest $1,000 monthly into SCHD and religiously reinvest all dividends, the compound growth becomes absolutely incredible. After 10 years, you'll have invested a total of $120,000. But your SCHD portfolio could potentially be worth approximately $190,000, generating annual dividend income of about $7,315, which equals monthly income of approximately $610. I know $610 might not seem life-changing at first glance, but think about it. This is steady cash flow that can cover everyday essentials like your phone, water, or electricity bills. And the best part is that it's an income stream designed to last for life. And if you think that's good, listen to this. After 20 years of investing $1,000 monthly in SCHD, you'll have contributed $240,000 total, but your portfolio could potentially be worth approximately $632,000, generating annual dividend income of about $29,700, providing monthly income of approximately $2,475. You're already approaching serious retirement income territory with discipline and consistency. Now here's the life-changing 30-year projection. If you're ready, take a look. After 30 years of investing $1,000 monthly, you'll have contributed a total of $360,000, but your SCHD portfolio could potentially be worth approximately $1,860,000. The expected annual dividend income could reach around $167,730, providing a monthly income of approximately $13,980. This means investing just $1,000 per month for 30 years could potentially generate nearly $14,000 in monthly dividend income for the rest of your life. Think about that for a second. $14,000 in monthly dividend income for the rest of your life. And don't forget that your portfolio at this time could also be about $1,860,000. Trust me, this could be life-changing for real. Now let's assume that $1,000 per month feels overwhelming at the moment. Well, let me show you how even $500 monthly investments can build serious wealth through SCHD's dividend growth magic. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, even if just a little, please subscribe to help us continue to create top-notch educational content. We appreciate your support. Thank you. After 10 years of investing $500 monthly, you'll have contributed $60,000 total, and your SCHD portfolio could potentially be worth approximately $95,000. Generating annual dividend income of about $3,660, which provides monthly income of around $305. And if you stay consistent, after 20 years of $500 monthly investments in SCHD, you'll have contributed $120,000 to $20,000, but your portfolio could potentially reach approximately $316,000, generating annual dividend income of about $14,850, which provides a monthly income of approximately $1,240. And now my favorite. After 30 years, those consistent $500 monthly contributions, totaling $180,000, could potentially create a portfolio worth approximately $930,000, generating annual dividend income of around $83,865, which translates to a monthly income of approximately $6,990. That means you could potentially be earning about $7,000 for the rest of your life. That's the power of compounding magic. Think about it. $500 a month is just around $18 a day. Most of us spend that without even thinking, whether it's coffee, snacks, or something we don't even remember the next day. But if you put that same $20 toward investing, it could grow into something life-changing. That's why I always say investing really is a no-brainer. Here's the crucial insight that separates wealthy retirees from everyone else. Dividend growth investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building unstoppable wealth systematically and reliably. Every dividend payment you receive and reinvests purchases more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. This compounding effect accelerates dramatically over time and becomes virtually unstoppable after 15 to 20 years of consistent execution. The most successful SCHD investors understand that market volatility is temporary, while dividend growth is permanent. When markets crash and stock prices plummet, the quality companies in SCHD continue paying and often increasing their dividends. This means market downturns actually accelerate your wealth building by allowing you to purchase more shares at discounted prices, supercharging your future dividend income. Even if you're in your 50s, 60s, or 70s, it's not too late to plant seeds that will grow into financial security for your children and grandchildren. Warren Buffett once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Every decision you make today, whether it's investing in dividend-paying assets or building a simple portfolio, creates a legacy of shade, comfort, and opportunity for the next generation. Start now and let your actions become the foundation of wealth and freedom for those you love. The path to financial independence is clearer and more accessible than most people realize, and SCHD could be the vehicle that delivers you to complete financial freedom. The question isn't whether dividend growth investing works. Extensive historical evidence proves it does. The real question is whether you'll take action today to secure your financial future. Please note that these projections are based on SCHD's historical returns and growth rates. But also remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. I would like to hear about your dividend investment journey and goals. Are you planning to make a lump sum investment or build your position through monthly contributions? How will you structure your SCHD investment strategy? Share your plans in the comments below because your success story could inspire thousands of other viewers to take control of their financial destiny. If this comprehensive breakdown of SCHD's wealth-building potential has opened your eyes to new possibilities, smash that like button to help this message reach more people who desperately need this information. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel as your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth together. Please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. In addition, all projections in our content are based on historical returns, growth rates, and performance. But also remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Click on the next video on your screen. We appreciate your support. Thank you.